Beautiful Brazilian crystals, polished shapes, angel wings, natural or rough, however you want to call it, raw, as in not polished. This one is agate and very deep amethyst, purple amethyst down there. This is a lavender amethyst, and this outer is all agate. Pink. This is actually red and black. We've got some black tourmaline and then the red tourmaline. More black there. Gorgeous pieces. Top polished howlite. Protection, purification for your spiritual path, for your energies. Sodalite. Top polished. I like the top polished because it gives you a sense of what it looks like differently than it is, in the raw form here. So it's really kind of interesting. This is a phantom quartz. Let's see, if I get my fingers out of the way, this one right here. All right. There, the shadow of a crystal that started, and here's another. And then it stopped growing and then started again with the larger parts above it or around it. In the green speckles, that's chlorite. There's a better view of the chlorite. That increases health, wealth, and abundance vibration. Pink tourmaline in quartz matrix. This one just has pink tourmaline all the way through it. It's gorgeous. Green tourmaline, quartz matrix. And these were this kind, which I didn't know about until a couple years ago, is red or deep pink tourmaline, sometimes referred to as rubellite, in citrine matrix. And one of my favorites, citrine. Clear quartz, at the base there. Here's a piece of rose quartz. Unpolished, raw or rough, natural, however you want to say it. And then this is pink quartz from Brazil, polished obelisk. There are so many different vibrations, and the pink amethyst wings are big. They're really big. I think they're about 13 inches high. Just the wings, that doesn't include the stand that comes with them. And then it is about 6 or more across there. Part of my personal collection here. All of these pieces. All right, so we saw some agate, right? The agate here. And these two pieces are agate half polished, or the back is polished. And then this guy, that's gray white. Okay, this one here. What would you do with all of these? Do you need to have one of everything? Well, I think so. I do. Look at these gorgeous pieces. And inside here you see the delicate quartz crystals there. There are pieces here for protection. And let's see, black tourmaline, blue kyanite. This is black kyanite, also referred to as witch's broom. And think of it as a broom or a crystal broom that would then sweep away negativity. When I am feeling, working on a new project, or I have managed to just not be in the space that I like to be in mentally, vibrationally, and emotionally, then I will take my own black kyanite and hold it in my hand, in my left hand. And for me, it is almost an instantaneous, I'm just feeling better. Blue kyanite and black kyanite will absorb all negative energies and help to up the vibration. Black tourmaline absorbs negative energy as well as creates a shield around you So does the blue and the black. Lepidolite. Look at the layers. It's lepidolite in mica. Mica is the shiny part. Lepidolite is for the divine feminine. I love lepidolite. It has a soft lilac or lavender color. And then this one, this is lepidolite, and the blue is aquamarine, and the black is black tourmaline. Isn't that an amazing color combination, an energy combination? Beautiful. So let's see. Okay, here's black tourmaline, really rough, and it is in a matrix. Isn't that beautiful? Here's some mica, that's the shiny, and then this part where my thumb is, that would be quartz. So you have black tourmaline, you've got the mica for an elevated vibration, and then the quartz magnifies the energy of it. This is emerald in schist. Got to be careful how you say that. And look at all of the green. All of that is emerald. You have a stronger or more prominent piece there. And the schist is the matrix. Look at all of that emerald there. All of that beautiful green. That one is a more developed piece, or a piece of the emerald. This is garnet, real rough, natural. The red is all the garnet, so you have a little bit back here as well, and it is in fusite. That's not an easy word to learn how to say. Here is a beautiful piece of two-faced or double-sided, two-sided amethyst. You've got pink amethyst on this side, very pale, subtle, and this side is quartz. Here's a much larger piece of double-sided. Hopefully you can see there's more pink here for the amethyst, or pink amethyst. And look at all the little pockets. I'm being careful. And then this is the other side. Pretty big side. And my my favorite, one of my top favorites is purple. This one kind of looks like a little bit of a shoe. Black galaxy. Can you see the different colors, like right here by my thumb? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's really easy to see in the light, and just right there. Oh, look, we can see it right here. The different colors. Black galaxy amethyst. Super smoky. This is an celestial, also known as alligator quartz. The clear quartz is at the base. There's a more clear quartz. Very high vibration. Not that easy to find good pieces. Smoky quartz sphere. Not clear. So we put it up next to a piece of clear optical calcite, and we can see that it has a little bit more of the smoky. Very dark, beautiful, terminated terminated generator. Hello. These are beautiful. Manifestation. So manifesting with emerald. Alligator quartz. Smoky quartz. And here is a smoky quartz pillar or an obelisk. I love the inclusions. Look at how beautiful transparent that is. This is gorgeous. Very different from the smoky quartz from other places. Crystal clear optical calcite. Clarity for your third eye, for the visions, your dreams, your thoughts, your focused thoughts. Red sheen obsidian. Rose quartz, I think we already shared with you. Here's some deep purple fluorite. There's fluorite from other countries like China and Morocco and others, I'm sure. And yet the purple fluorite from Brazil is one of my favorites because it is just so dark and it works so beautifully with your crown chakra. Pink guava quartz or guava quartz from Brazil. It's only found in Brazil. Here's a piece of garden quartz. You can kind of see all kinds of goodies inside there. This is also sometimes called lodolite, which has a very high vibration, manifestation energies, focused intentions, those kinds of things. All right, so here is some orchid calcite, also known as orange calcite. These guys have a lot of black tourmaline. That's what's in here. So the orange calcite, solar plexus, manifestation, empowerment, managing your energy. And the black tourmaline would help to draw out, dissolve, and eliminate negativity. It absorbs it into itself. And then the white is a bit of quartz, as I understand it, and that helps to magnify the energies of that beautiful piece. Orbicular ocean jasper. Lemuria connection, Atlantis, Akashic records, high vibes, your crown, third eye chakras mostly. This one we shared with you already. The blue that looks kind of white is aquamarine. The black is black tourmaline, and the purple is lepidolite. Beautiful combinations. Rhodonite, grounding, heart chakra, healing, forgiveness work. Gray-white chalcedony. Isn't that gorgeous? Light and dark, yin and yang. Balancing, working with duality and the shadow self. The agate, polished on most of it and then just a little bit. Amazonite, bluish and white. Soothing, calming energies, throat chakra, energy purification, detox for your spiritual path. Green zebra jasper, animal communication, protection for your fur baby, and it's also grounding and works with the heart chakra. Kunzite. Whoop, there we go. There it is. Lavender, lilac lavender, almost a pink lavender. Third eye, high vibes, vision clarity, clarity for your path. Here is, these has kind of a double name in a way, celestial, as well as Bahia, because it is found in the Bahia mines, or Bahia, Brazil. This one has a double point. They're also sometimes called dragon's teeth, I believe, or skeletal amethyst because of the way that they grow. I love these. I have several pieces actually for visioning, imagination, visualization, clearing clutter from my third eye and my crown chakra. Let's see. Amethyst generator. This is almost a chevron or banded, but it is mostly just pure high vibe purple amethyst. Rutilated quartz. Rutile quartz is for manifestation. It is for prosperity and abundance, and the threads can be gold, white, or black. There are a couple of black ones here. Mostly this one is white, and maybe a little bit of gold, but I'm not picking it up at the moment. That is clear. It's not transparent, but it is clear as opposed to smoky. Now this smoky guy has lots of gold and white threads. They're also called, or like angel hair sometimes. Isn't that beautiful? This one is more of a generator because it is a little bit squat, meaning a little bit short as opposed to the other sides. And I think that does it. If you have any questions about these beautiful pieces from Brazil, let me know. I am happy to answer them. We do have palm stones as well. I just didn't have enough room on the table. A lot of these you can pair for forgiveness work, your amethyst and the black kyanite, or amethyst and lepidolite, pink amethyst. Clarity, optical calcite, smoky quartz, and even, let's see, who else? Oh, even a rutilated quartz, smoky or clear or smoky. How about protection? White howlite, connecting with your guides, sodalite, and this has a lot of white in it, so that's also for protection and energy detox. So there's so many different things. You want to connect with your other self, your past self, your Akashic records, the energies of Lemuria or Atlantis or both, orbicular ocean jasper.